Hey everyone, so today I wanted to create this little tutorial for you using the new BYS Cosmetics Heat Collection. There are some stunning products in here and I wanted to kind of show you each of those. But yeah, this is my finished eye look for you today. So keep watching if you want to find out how I created this. Okay, so we're going to get you nice and close. So I've just put some soap through my brows. Next up, I'm just going to use the BYS Cosmetics Full Coverage Sealer. This is in shade Ivory. We're just going to do one eye today. Last time I tried to do two eyes, I got so distracted from the video that I didn't really vibe what I came up with. So today we're just going to do one eye only. Okay, so there are so many products to play with. Yes, look at my eyes. Like, before and after concealer makes so much difference. So you've got this palette here, the face palette to play with, and then I've also got the little flame palette. It has some glitters in it and it's got some decent other shades. And I've got this guy right here, the fire palette. Whoa. The only downside to this palette is the fact that it does reflect the ring light, but yeah, it's all good. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. Pack that outer region. The outer V. Whoa, okay, this pigment, yes. Okay, so that's just from dabbing. Wow, I'm really impressed. I'm gonna say this one right here. Just put that kind of above the other one. I think I'm gonna use this yellow in the top row. It's like a matte sort of yellow. It's not in the pan, it doesn't look like it's crazy bright or anything. Got a bit of fallout. Okay, so this yellow shade has a little bit of fallout, but nothing too bad. Just kind of tap it up before you go in on your eye. So this particular one seems to be taking off a bit of the shadow underneath, so I'll just go back in with the orange, kind of neaten it up, add some more color to it. Just blend that out until you're happy with it. I might just add a bit of yellow onto that outer corner. Being careful not to touch the other shadows too much, just kind of add to it. And you're going to go back in with those deeper tones. I'm actually going to change the shape, I think, and do more of my signature sort of look. Okay, yeah, let's extend this out. We're gonna cut it. More concealer! Yay! And we're just gonna stamp it out and then go up. So I'll go with this shade and I want to put that in the inner corner. So I'm gonna keep patting it down, being very careful when it comes to up here in the crease. I do not want to get any of the shimmer in my matte areas. Next up, I'm gonna take this brown again down here on a very fine brush. I'm actually going to create a new crease, not a crease, but like a shape over here. Dab it. Pat out from there. This blush shade here on the same brush and just kind of fill in between there. Now you can always go back in with that yellow if you're not quite happy. That's cute, I like that. I'm actually just gonna use some makeup remover and get rid of the excess because it's gone a bit brown. So to clean it up, I'll just do that. Anyway, I'll clean it up and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. So there we go. So I actually went in with this some makeup remover towel, and then I used the P. Louise Acid Rain blank canvas to kind of do that, and then I just went back in with the BYS concealer on the bottom. So next up, I'm gonna highlight. So I'm gonna use the Complexion palette. I'm gonna use this shade right here. Seriously amazing. Like, if you're gonna get one thing from BYS, check out their highlighters because they are stunning. Like, they're usually on the glittery side, but they're so pretty. I might just chuck a bit of glitter from this palette in because we have it, we may as well use it. There we go, just for a little bit of extra glam. So this is the Lash Dimensions mascara from BYS. So it has this little wand on the end. But yeah, let me know below if you've tried out BYS mascaras. Do you like them? So I'm gonna use some Slashed lashes. These are the Rebecca lashes from Slashed. They're so pretty, they're cruelty free. Anyway, yeah, so this is my finished look though from BYS. So as you can see, it turned out really beautifully. If you want a warm tone palette but don't want to spend $1 billion, this one is about $20 from Kmart, otherwise from the BYS website. And as you can see, I heavily recommend the face palette because the highlighter is stunning. Anyway, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed that little tutorial.